In the shadows of the neon glow, I see my reflection in your eyes. Your words are sharp like broken glass, but I can't look away. There's a fire burning deep inside me. It's not just about the pain. It's a power that I can't control, a dangerous kind of flame. I'm a rebel heart, a storm in the night, screaming out my truth so loud. They call me a monster, but I know who I You think you're better than me, but I've seen the world burn down. Your lies are just echoes now. I'm the one who breaks the crown. Every time I close my eyes, I see the chaos we create. But this is my destiny. I was born for this fate. I'm a rebel heart, a storm in the night, screaming out my truth so loud. They call me a monster, but I know who I am. This isn't just a story. It's a war for survival. I'm the wolf in sheep's clothing, and I'm here to take what's mine. But sometimes I wonder,